Okay, today we have a double deck because we are going to review identical cars for today. And yes, this is one of the most famous JDM Class 6, I would call it now. It's the R32 Skyline, and this one is quite a nice casting. I especially like the color on this one, and it says Skyline and it says JNC. The casting looks quite nice. I'm sure you can see the color. It's kind of pearl gray or quite shiny. I love the color on this one. It has a spoiler. The rims are quite nice. I mean, after a very long time I've got a car with really nice rims, and that too from Hot Wheels. So the front end quite aggressive. You can see the small mesh grille where the intercooler should be, and we have got the front diffuser, we have got, and at the back we have got the single tail light, and we have got the GTR logo. It even says Nissan Skyline. Let me try to focus. The rear end is much more detailed than the front one. And guess what? There is a small baby spoiler there as well. The fuel tank quite defined, and so are the handles. Even the interior is slightly visible, and they've done a good job on it. I mean, the interior is quite nice, I would say. It actually resembles a real car, which is impressive. So yeah, this is a casting from 2018, and seriously impressive.